Today, my friends and I will strip these eggs, hi cat, of their shell. How? Well, this is an egg, and its shell is made of calcium carbonate. Adding vinegar to the eggs should cause a chemical reaction,
Okay, tap. Okay.
and almost immediately, bubbles on the surface of the eggs form. This is because the acetic acid in the vinegar is currently reacting with calcium carbonate in the egg's shells, forming CO2 gas, which bubbles away, and calcium acetate, which eventually dissolves in the water. We'll store the eggs.
Meron din kinsa nga nagabutang ba?
24 hours later, they look like this. The vinegar now looks foggier and gunkier. For the old vinegar, we'll throw it out. And let's put new vinegar in. Now, the eggs look more translucent and have gotten bigger when compared to before. Their shells have now mostly disappeared too. Now, it's time to close the eggs up for another 24 hours. The eggs now look like this. After 48 hours of soaking in the vinegar, the egg shells have now completely dissolved. Now, only the egg's membrane and its contents are left. To get rid of the excess vinegar, we're going to wash the eggs. The eggs have now become so plump and swollen. This must be because without the egg shell, the vinegar and water can freely enter the egg. Holding the eggs, they've become more squishier and jigglier than before. After washing, we're now left with two very clean and vinegar-free eggs. It's time to weigh the eggs. Weighing the eggs, they both weighed an average of 3.699 ounces or 104.864 grams. For the next experiment, we're going to put one egg in a solution of corn syrup and another egg in a solution of water. After putting the naked eggs in their respective solutions, we're going to be putting them in the fridge. And now we wait. After 24 hours in their respective solutions, the eggs now look like this. Corn syrup egg looks deflated, and the water egg looks to have expanded. And it's time to weigh and compare them. For the egg submerged in corn syrup, it now weighs 71.5 grams, around 30 grams less than before. For the egg submerged in water, the egg now weighs 115 grams, around 10 grams higher than the average weight before.